This quick video is going to show you how to easily transfer your photos and videos from Mac to iPhone. But before we start, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel because it would really help me out. So I'm on my MacBook right now, and what I'll do now is to open the Photos app or locate the photos and videos in the folder, wherever you've put them. I have a couple of photos and a video in my Photos app right here, and how can I transfer this to my iPhone without using any complicated software or cables? I'm going to select the photos in this video and then right-click on them in order for this drop-down menu to show up. Let's click on the Share button, which is right under the Get Info, and then this other menu will appear. Our job now is to select the AirDrop option, which should be the second one on the list. Now, a very important thing is to simply enable AirDrop on our iPhone. So I'm going to unlock my phone right here, and then I'll open the Control Center. You're looking for this little icon, which is the AirDrop icon, and then select the Everyone for 10 minutes button. Your iPhone should appear in the AirDrop menu on Mac. So just click on your name, and then the phone will start transferring your photos and videos from the computer onto your phone. As you can see, here are the photos and videos which I've successfully transferred. If this video helped you out, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.